same?
Same, all.
All same?
Yeah, that's why I'm taking you in basic AutoCAD. So I will show you that this is math. This is Pythagorean theorem or...
Is it all X 0,
Yeah.
all CNC 0 or
Yeah.
and what is Z 0?
All the machine, they have a different axis.
Yeah, axis.
Yeah. For example, sometimes the zero is here, the zero is here. It's depend the machine. Where is the 0, 0?
Yeah, I know. This side,
So,
right side, left
yeah,
side.
no problem.
No problem.
But if you will start in the zero like this, we use the mathematical equation, huh?
This is the axis.
Yeah, this one now x, y, positive, x.